subscribe.
一体どんな手を使って
どんな手も何も俺は元から
登録していた。
Card Kaizoku.
We have a Katakuri versus Smoker. We will go second. So we can get 10 cost Big Mom on curve. This hand is workable. We'll keep. We have Pudding at least. And Soul Focus or Thunderbolt will help us stall until our 10 Dawn turn. Oh, but against black it may not be too helpful because it's a KO effect. But we'll see. We'll play Pudding. Let's guarantee the Big Mom. Then we'll pass. They may play Fukuro this turn. Or brand new. Most likely a Fukuro. Oh, they play brand new. Okay. I also said brand new, so I'm not wrong, I guess. Add one to the correct counter. They pick up 4 cost Kuzan, or is this 10 cost Kuzan? They're both from OP02, so I can't tell. And I don't know his card number. They attack us with their leader for 7. We'll take the... We don't need Thunderbolt, so we'll discard it to get a smoothie trigger in player. Ooh, these Brûlés are better as triggers, but I guess there's still 1k counters in hand. We can play Cracker for 4. We'll attack with Smoothie for 5. Let's not use her ability. We don't need to get them to use counters. We could do a leader attack for 7 and play a blocker instead. Yeah, Cracker on board isn't gonna help us because they already... Oh, if they attack us and we take the life, we'll be at less life than them, but they'll probably attack Smoothie. Yeah, we'll just play Cracker anyway because he's still a 5k body. We'll attack with leader for 5 instead of 7 with the leader ability. They counter for 1k, we'll play Cracker and pass. We could do down on leader, attack Smoothie for 7, and then play a Borsolino. Put down on leader. Activate his leader ability, making him a 7. Attack Smoothie for 7. Might as well save her. We'll counter for 3k, and then they'll probably play Borsolino, so our Smoothie is safe. But they could do 4 down on brand new. They do 4 down on brand new, attack Smoothie, can't save her. Pass. Dang. Since we're at equal life, our Katakuri can't gain rush. We have to stall 2 more turns for our 10 cost Big Mom. We'll do 1 down on Pudding and attack brand new for 3. We want this Pudding to die so they can stop getting free value out of their leader ability. Brand new dies. We'll attack with Cracker for 5. Oh, I guess I could play Thunderbolt to artificially make myself lower life, but I already attacked. You done on other reading a trigger, I guess. Is it an impact wave? It was an impact wave and they killed Pudding. Why not Cracker? Yeah, cost of 4 or less, so he could have killed Cracker. Oh well. We'll attack with Katakuri. We'll look at top card of our life. Yeah, we'll keep this on top. We'll attack for 7. They take. We'll play 4 cost Katakuri. We'll look at our opponent's life. The Kobe, we'll leave that on top. It doesn't hit any of our cards. And we'll pass. Next turn, we'll Thunderbolt maybe, or just play a blocker and attack. And then 10 cost Big Mom should seal the game for us. They haven't set up anything to be able to handle her on the turn that she's played. If they play a 4 cost Kuzan, we can kill it with the Thunderbolt, so they can't combo 4 cost Kuzan with the 10 cost Kuzan to kill our Big Mom or something. Oh, you know, 4 cost Kuzan would bring Big Mom to 6 cost, so 10 cost Kuzan still can't kill her. I don't know, it's up to them how they want to remove. They attack our Cracker for 5k, I guess we'll counter for 1k. Yep, 7 Dawn, what can they play? They play Sakazuki to kill Cracker. But Katakuri has a higher stat line. Probably Katakuri, right? Oh, they kill Cracker. Interesting. But we can't really do anything on our next turn. Unless we draw something to play. But we'll try to take that 2 life that he has. We draw an Ikoku Sovereignty. This will help us survive for 1 more turn. So 2 Dawn for Ikoku Sovereignty, 6 Dawn to spread. 3 Dawn on Katakuri, attack for 9k. They take, and we'll do 3 Dawn on our leader, attack for 9k. We'll look at the top card of their life, it's a Sakazuki. Just wanted to know what it was. I hope they defend this so that our 10 cost Big Mom has a reason to use her on play ability. Or else if they're at 0 life, then we just gain 1 life only. Ideally, I'd like them to use cards in hand to counter, and then they'll take the life next turn from our Big Mom anyway. Counter for 5k, please. If you're thinking about it, just do it. You don't want to be at 0 life, right? That's so uncool. They counter for 2k, 1k, 1k, 1k more. Oh my god, we got him to use 4 cards. Alright, and we'll pass. This is the like perfect scenario. The dream scenario. They attack Katakuri with their Sakazuki for 7. Well, Ikoku Sovereignty, and then they'll have to use 1 Dawn on leader at least to attack into him. And then they'd have 8 Dawn still. Maybe I should have just saved the Ikoku Sovereignty for our Big Mom. They attach 3 Dawn to leader for the guaranteed kill on Katakuri. Can't save him. Have 6 Dawn to work with, but we have no board for them to interact with. Play Borsalino and Tsuru blocker, okay. Ooh, we get a 8 cost Katakuri as well. We'll attack with the leader for 5. And then we might just block with Borsalino. If we get a counter, that's also good. They counter for 1k. Nice. We'll play 10 cost Big Mom. And we'll pass. 2 cards and no life. We're at 5 life. Feeling good. We might 8 cost Katakuri their Borsalino. Make them waste 4 more Dawn to replay them. They play 10 cost Kuzan. They attack our leader with Sakazuki for 7, we'll take. They attack with their leader for 5. We'll take. We get an Ikoku Sovereignty trigger, which is what I know that we have on top of the deck. Let's not. We'll save it as a 5k counter for our Big Mom. Alright. We'll attack Sakazuki with Big Mom for 12. They'll block with Tsuru, maybe? Oh, they let him die. We'll play Katakuri and put Borsellino back on life. We'll attack with leader for 5k. They block with the Tsudu and then we'll pass. We have 5, 7, 9k counter in hand. Pretty sure Big Mom's safe. But she's at 6 cost, they may have a way to kill her with the 10 cost Kuzan on board. They play brand new to look for an answer. They find a Sakazuki, they just need to bring her down 1 cost more. They have a 2k counter Tsudu in hand or Tashigi. Oh, if they play Tashigi, they don't have enough Dawn for Sakazuki. So it has to be a 2k counter Tsudu, but they concede and we win. Nice. Okay, bye.
Car D Kaizoku.